In 2019, in response to the growing need to nurture Nigerian youth talent, N-Youth Sports Academy was born. Formerly known as NTIC Sport Club, the Academy embarked on its mission after the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. N-Youth has the objective of offering a conducive environment for young, talented Nigerians, fostering their athletic prowess alongside their education. The Academy also aims to instill values of sportsmanship and character, aligning with global standards. The results? Remarkable. N-Youth athletes have represented Nigeria in both national and international competitions across multiple sports disciplines. Since its inception, NYSA has forged strategic partnerships with key players in sports development. The kick-up phase was under the leadership of former Honorable Federal Minister of Sports Mr. Sunday Dare. Continuation phase of the MOU under the leadership of Senator John Anna, present Sport Minister, in collaboration with Nigerian Tulip International Colleges. The Academy has provided full-ride scholarships to 20 student athletes. Moreover, the Academy has been a pioneer in promoting gender equality in sports, empowering female athletes through dedicated teams and equal opportunities. But N-Youth's impact goes beyond medals and trophies. Their grassroots development programs aim to empower youth, using sports as a vehicle for health, education, and leadership development. With support from various stakeholders, the Academy continues to expand its reach, offering scholarships to talented individuals across football, basketball, tennis, athletics, swimming, and more. Transportation, accommodation, and medical fees all covered. The aim? To remove barriers and enable athletes to focus solely on their development.
Looking ahead, NTIC Sports Academy is committed to future growth and impact. With the unwavering support of Federal Ministry of Sports Development and our esteemed partners, we have ambitious goals. We aim to expand our reach, welcoming more students, athletes into our family, and we aspire to establish a high sports school. Together, we will continue to nurture talent, uphold values of sportsmanship, and we pave the way for brighter future in Nigerian sports.
NYSA athletes' appearance at international competition under Nigerian teams are: Chinedu Levi Dominic, Under-17 Nigerian football team, Ghana, 2024. Esther Azi, Under-16 Nigerian female basketball team, Ghana, 2024. Solomon Yudo Apen, Under-16 Nigerian football team, Japan, 2023. Otito Chukwu Eberendum, World Junior Swimming Championship, Israel, 2023. Osai Chukwu Nalu, African Junior Swimming Championship, Ghana, 2022. Innocent DK, Confederation of African Athletes, Zaria, 2021. Dubusi Aja Favor, Niger Open Taekwondo Championship, 2022. NYSA extends heartfelt appreciation to all supporters and partners. With your continued backing, they strive to create a brighter future for Nigerian youth in the world of sports.